So here I'm at buzzstream.com, and this is a great site for finding link building opportunities. And once you're on the homepage, you just click on link building, and it's a great little tool that you can use to find and research link prospects and ultimately build backlinks to your site. So I'm just going to send you over here to the company's video, and they'll explain the program really well for you.
Hey, Stephanie here. Today, I'm going to show you how BuzzStream can help you conduct efficient outreach without losing the personalized, relationship-based approach you need to get results. This leads to more buzz and more links. Let's say we're working with a video game company that's created a great piece of content, and we're looking for influencers who will share it. I'll start by visiting a video game news site that might be interested. It looks like a good fit, so I'll hit the buzz marker, BuzzStream's Chrome extension, and add it to our database. BuzzStream will automatically discover contact information and bylines for me. I can add a few more tags and notes and make sure it's in the right project. I could also assign this to someone else on my team, but I'll leave it assigned to me for now. When I'm ready, I'll hit save. Now the website has been added to my BuzzStream account, and I can review everything I need to know about it. If I want to pitch them on my content right now, I can hit this email icon, choose a template, and reach out. By automating a lot of tedious tasks like finding contact information and managing email templates, BuzzStream allows me and my team to focus on the important things, like building relationships and earning buzz. The buzz marker also helps you deal with long lists of opportunities. For example, here I have a list of sites that recently shared video game content. I'll use BuzzStream to create a prospecting list. BuzzStream will scrape all the links from the page and organize them here on the right. When I hit Start Prospecting, BuzzStream will take me from site to site. I can add the good contacts to my account, ignore the bad ones, and reach out to whoever I want along the way. If you already have a list of websites or people you want to add to your BuzzStream account, like from a backlink tool, you can use BuzzStream's import tools to add them. But no matter how you get contacts into your BuzzStream account, and no matter who on your team adds them, BuzzStream will automatically organize them into one centralized database, your team's little black book of contacts. Now you can have everything your team knows in one place, instead of scattered across different spreadsheets. Alright, now let's use our BuzzStream account to build a campaign. We can start by leveraging BuzzStream to build a list. Going back to my video game content example, I'll filter my database to only include websites with the tags video games and content. Now that we have our list, we'll reach out to them using BuzzStream's outreach module. BuzzStream records the response rates of different messages for us, so we can choose the best email template for our campaign. This one looks like it works well, so we'll go with it. Now here in the outreach screen, we have everything at our fingertips that we need to conduct great outreach. In the left pane, we have our team's full relationship history with the contact, including emails, tweets, and notes. We can also see all the contact information that BuzzStream has discovered, and, if it's a blog, its RSS feed with recent posts. Here on the right, BuzzStream has automatically filled out merge fields from our template, like first name and website name. Now I'll personalize this message based on our relationship and their recent content to send a great pitch. I can set follow-up reminders and send now or send later. Then BuzzStream will automatically load up our next outreach message. So that's just a quick introduction to BuzzStream. You can do a lot more, like custom fields, ratings, advanced organization, and link management.